Robot versus humans. So he's trying to get a 6-inch soil core. That looks like about maybe 4 to 5 inches. The question is, are you going to base your $100 per acre fertilizer decision off this soil sampling process? This is the second test we're doing where we've placed a flag to mark the location where the samplers are supposed to go, and then they're stepping off a 20-foot radius circle around that. So the goal with this test is to compare simply the difference in depth repeatability because the location will be about exactly the same. Checking out the repeatability of the cores. There you have it. 3 trials doing the same field. It's about a hand width apart. It's about a hand length apart. 3 cores repeatability. Here's the next set of cores. Again, great spacing, no more than a hand width apart. Any last thoughts, guys?
We probably shouldn't be out there sampling ourselves if we have a robot that can do it.
Why?
It's just more efficient, easier, probably more accurate than what we are. Even if we do take our time and try to do our best job, the robot is still going to be better performing than what we are.
Yeah, I think the room for error in hand sampling is I never realized it, but it's just so much greater. There's so much room for error with hand sampling rather than the consistency of the robot.
When we were out there, we checked the depths a couple of times with our hand probes, and every single time it seemed to come up the same exact depth. And I guarantee you I could walk out there and check how I was sampling it, and my depths would be all over the place. So it's almost a no-brainer to go with the robot over a human.
It's Drew with Rogo, wrapping up the Beck's PFR study on humans versus robots for soil sampling to drive fertilizer recommendations. And here's why you should use a robot. We're trying to hold $85 an acre of PK and lime accountable per year. And we're doing that with a system that costs 75 cents an acre that has problems. You can use a robot for $1.25 an acre, which is a system that works, holding every core, both depth and location, accountable, driving more fertilizer here where it needs to go and less where it doesn't need to go. A net investment of 50 cents per acre. And you're going to get a return on that of 9x without any yield benefits, 18x with yield benefits. That is why you should use a robot to sample your soil, because it holds that massive investment accountable and it makes financial sense.